Hello viewers, welcome back to Virtualonics. So today we are back again with another interesting project which is vehicle accident detection and alert system. So nowadays we can see a lot of accidents are happening due to which people are dying. So due to lack of alert systems. So that's why we got this project which will prevent a lot of accidents and it will give alert system immediately so that we can prevent deaths. So to build this project, we have used the following components. We have used one Arduino microcontroller board, 16x2 character bit LCD, one buzzer, GPS module, GSM module, one tilt sensor to detect the accident, and the number we have given in this phone will get the message. So let's see how the tilt sensor detects the accident. In normal position it is sensor value is 1. Now when the car meets the accident, now you can see it detects the accident. Now immediately it will send the message to the given number